Guys, I'm Mair. So today I'm sharing tomato rice with you guys. It's a kind of Indian rice. They call it thakla rice back in India. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. So here guys, I have soaked basmati rice, and in the dry ingredients I have some chana dal, urad dal. These are the mustard seeds. This is red chili powder, garlic powder, turmeric powder, and of course salt. We're gonna be using a lot of tomatoes. These are like two big huge tomatoes and two small onions. So first thing guys, I'm gonna take the basmati rice and I'm gonna boil these guys at least 90%, 90 to 95% right here. So in the second pan I'm gonna add some oil. The oil is enough hot. Now I'm gonna add the mustard seed in the oil. I'm gonna add some chana dal, some urad dal, and now we're gonna just fry roast these guys. So we have fried roasted our dal like 5 minutes. Now we're gonna add the onion in there. Adding turmeric powder, garlic powder, and the red chili powder. We're gonna fry roast these guys for at least 10 minutes. So the onions and the dals and the masalas, they get fry roasted. Then we're gonna add the tomatoes in there. So it's been 10 minutes. I've been roasting the onions and the dal and the masala. Now I'm gonna add the tomatoes in there. So these are two chopped tomatoes, all gonna go in here. So I'm gonna add some salt to taste. And now I'm gonna cover with the lid on top and leave this guy for 5 minutes so the tomatoes get soft enough. And we're gonna slow down our rice boiler. And for 5 minutes, we're gonna wait for tomatoes to get soft. So while checking on the rice, I think my rice is ready. So we're gonna drain the excess water from the rice. Right there. Alright, so it's been 10 minutes. We took out our rice, they are ready. Let's check on our tomatoes and the seasoning. They need, I guess, 5 more minutes so the tomatoes get kind of dissolved in this. So at this time guys, you guys should check the salt, in your masala. I guess I have to add some salt in there because it's not enough. So once this gets ready, we're gonna take up a rice from here and we're gonna just add the rice all in here and give it a stir, and voila, our rice is ready. So just 5 more minutes. So right now I'm kind of mashing the tomatoes because I don't want tomatoes to be big and chunky in there. So I'm making sure this becomes all a paste. So it's been total of 15 minutes cooking this, and I think the masala, the tomato masala, is ready. Now we're gonna just add our rice in there. So it's all done. We're gonna give it a stir. It looks so good. It's tomatoey, and I'm gonna just cover it with the lid from top. Make the flame very slow and wait 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes, guys, our tomato rice will be ready. All right, so it's been 5 minutes. Let's check on our rice. Yeah, they look all done.
On this journey we will find our souls begin to intertwine. Your heart of gold, so pure, divine, and I lost myself within the fire, breaking free from my desire. A heart of gold forged to inspire. It's starfire. It's starfire.
So it's time to taste the rice. Wow, you guys should really try this recipe. It's very simple to make, and it's gonna take only 20 to 30 minutes of your time. Do try this recipe and let me know. Share your thoughts in the comment section, and I will see you guys on the next one. Until then, the dal has the crunch in it, and it almost tastes like almonds in there, Add some yogurt to it.